Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to avoid wash day with a certain product from TWISTOUT. I'm also going to show you a cute head wrap, headscarf style. I actually came up with this idea because I was out of conditioner and didn't realize it, and I didn't want to go on the road to get it. So I said, let me come up with something, and I came up with this. So I'm going from cornrows that I wore under a wig for a week to this style that you're going to see. So the products I'm using today is the Got To Be Spray and Eco Styler for my edges, and the star of the show is the TWISTOUT product. It's a protective style product and it's called Ditch the Itch, and it's an anti-itch serum. So I'm just going to start by applying the Ditch the Itch to my scalp, and I'm just going to rub that through. I'm going from cornrows that I was wearing under a wig, and I don't want to look bald headed. So what I did was I just took out the cornrows halfway, and that allowed me to make a bun out of my own hair, but still gave me like the flat look in the front. So you'll better understand it in the video. So what I'm doing now, I'm just spraying some water on my edges because, like I said, I wore a wig, and what I did, I used a Got To Be spray to smoothen my edges back before I put the wig on. And I'm not going to do all of my edges on camera because this is not a video on watch me struggle doing my edges. So I'm just going to start off on camera, but you'll see me come back with my edges tied down. But for the edges, what I did was I used the Eco Styler first to smooth it down, and once I like how my edges look, I sprayed the Got To Be spray and I brushed it in a little bit. Then I tied my hair down, and I did my makeup off camera as well. But while I was doing my makeup, my edges were setting. So now I'm going to show you how to put the scarf on, and what you're going to do is you're going to want to pull the scarf a little bit forward. Don't place it at where you want it to actually sit, because as you tie it, it's going to slide back further away from where you actually want it. And another thing you're going to want to ensure is that the triangle in the back is straight. As you can see, mine is to the side, but I'm going to show you in the end. I actually went off camera and redid the scarf after a few hours after filming this video, and it was straight and it looked so much better. you can do is add some earrings. I thought this pulled the look together. Some gold hoops. Well, they're not really hoops, they're squares. But I thought this pulled the look together. So this little clip is me showing you that you can add bobble pins to secure the scarf. So I just added one on each side. And also this is how the scarf looked after I came back and redid the scarf. So I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching. Bye.